Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to the Mennonite Farmhouse channel. I'm Leanne, and in this video, with fall-like temperatures easily on the East Coast here this week, it is easy to say that fall is coming, especially September 1st when Souptember comes to the Mennonite Farmhouse channel. I'm hosting a collaboration with 14 other channels to bring you a recipe every day to fill your cookbook binder with new recipes to you or a new take on an old recipe. You want to be putting heartfelt comments on each one of these videos because I'm going to be picking one random comment from one random video in the collaboration to win a $100 gift card, and there will be other prizes. Super Cubes is donating a wonderful prize that's going to be only to the lower 48 states. There'll be other great prizes like Mexican vanilla and many, many more prizes for the side chat. So you don't want to miss the live stream giveaway on October 2nd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Mennonite Farmhouse channel. With that said, I'm going to leave the schedule down below in the description box and links to all the channels so you can go friend yourself with that channel and show them some love ahead of time. And we have Jennifer from A Country Life coming back, Tina from Life in the Piedmont, Renee from Pike Creek Farm, Linda from Linda's Pantry, Stacy, Farmer's Wife Homestead. Then we have Constance from Cosmetologist Cornbread, Heather the Kneady Homesteader, Valerie from Valerie Hargett, Tiffany from Our Small Town Life, Cassie from the Bluegrass Family, Little Hill Homestead, Jesse and Lisa from Lazy Days Ahead, Angela from the Inquisitive Farm, and Steph Stove by Stephanie Thomas. I'm honored to have all these wonderful channels sign up this year for this collaboration. I hope you get inspired to make new soups, because soup is one thing you can make either really cheap or really expensive. But there's always a happy medium, am I right? So stay tuned folks, we're going to have an awesome month, and in October we'll have a grand party, and I hope to see you there. And remember to look for the official Souptember logo on each one of these fabulous videos. Good luck, everybody. Remember, God gave you a great day. Now go do something great.